And now, we do a sound test of a Carter fuel pump in my Opel GT. First, return the ignition on to run. And now we are under their car. And there is the Carter fuel pump. And if you can hear, it just makes a nice whirring sound, like a little electric motor should sound, not clickety-clack like pool balls. And so, I am very happy with my Carter fuel pump. The other kind suck.